In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove applied effect on video in CapCut. If you've ever added a visual effect to a clip and decided it isn't the look you want, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to take it off quickly and cleanly without disrupting the rest of your edit. First, open CapCut. Give the app a moment to load your workspace. If you're prompted to start a new project, go ahead and create one so you land on the timeline view. This is where we'll do everything today. Next, add a video. You can import your clip into the media section and then drag it onto the timeline, or use the add button to bring it straight in. Make sure your clip is selected and visible in the preview window. If your timeline is crowded, zoom in a bit so you can clearly see the clip and any layers attached to it. This will make removing effects more precise and less frustrating. Now, add an effect so we can demonstrate removal. Open the Effects panel, browse or search for an effect, and apply it to your clip. Depending on your layout, you'll see the effect appear as an item associated with the clip on the timeline, or reflected in the inspector area. Give it a quick playback to confirm the effect is active and visible in your preview. To remove the applied effect, the first method is to right-click and remove it. Find the effect attached to your clip. This may appear as an effect strip on the timeline or as a listed effect in the inspector or properties area. Right-click directly on that effect and choose Remove or Delete, depending on your interface wording. The change should be immediate in the preview. If you applied multiple effects, repeat this right-click removal for each one you no longer want. This approach is great when you want to remove a specific effect while keeping others intact. The second method is to use the keyboard shortcut to undo. Press Ctrl+Z to undo your last action, which, in this case, will remove the effect you just added. On a Mac, use Command+Z. You can press it multiple times to step back through recent changes if needed. This is perfect when you've just applied an effect and instantly decide it's not right, or when you want to quickly compare before and after. Play your clip to confirm the effect is gone and the footage looks the way you expect. Save your project so the change sticks, and you're all set. That's how to remove an applied effect in CapCut, clearly, quickly, and without disrupting the rest of your edit.